Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with me, Powell, / Michael. So anyways guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So I'm here, and I got a Rubik's Cube here. It looks soft, actually does look soft, but it really ain't. And guys, I'm gonna show you a little trick. And if you do have your Rubik's Cube like this is a good short trick for you. So guys, let's take a look here. Hold on. I do got a stand. That's my TV. You know what? This might be my new stand. I got a new stand, guys. Anyways, guys. Sorry about my fingers. We got right side, green side, yellow side, blue side, and the orange side. No, wait. White, green, yellow, blue. Yeah. And then you got the orange side over here. And you can, as you can see, that's red. There's two reds right there. So it's completely not solved yet. And on the red side, there's two orange ones. I'm going to show you how to fix that. We're going to put this orange. It looks yellow on your screen probably. But anyways, yellow. I mean, not yellow. Dang it. Orange, and this orange. But these two red all. So these two and these two we're gonna be swapping. So let's go ahead and do that. First you're gonna pick which side you want to go on. I would choose this side or this side. I don't care which one y'all choose. It's like the same thing. So just pick which side you want to go on, and if y'all do have it like right on yellow or blue on green or something like that looks something like this on any of them, just copy what I do. That's gonna be easy because you will solve the Rubik's Cube after that. I learned this trick just like 5 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and get this started. So what you want to do, you take these, take the top one, and you want to rotate it to here. Well, it's like that. Show you one more time. To here, it's like that. You want to turn it all the way around until you see that. And you want to take this and go all the way around the way you can see this. And you want to take this and rotate it around. Take this and copy the step pretty much. Now you can see, now you got this. Orange, red. Blue, green. Red, orange. Blue, green, blue. Not bad. And as you can see, the yellow side and the right side will be solved. There you go. If it's on your, and if it's different on yours, then I don't know which one would be solved. But then you want to take this whole entire thing and just twist it all the way around. One last step. Boom. And that's the Rubik's Cube solved again. I didn't notice that. I just thought of this, so no, there's plenty of different do tricks. I don't know about those, but I do have another trick you can do while it is solved. And if you do messed up, then you cannot go back. You have to find out different ways to solve it. So, and of course, it is made from so in the middle here, you can do the Rubik's Cube. So, yeah guys, it's gonna be cool. So anyways, to mess around and do different stuff with this, say you want to make a tea. Let's see. Hold on. So I want to take this. The middle needs to be up. Never mind. That is a whole different thing. You can also do that. Okay, hold on. So boom, boom, boom. You can mess around with it and do whatever tricks you want. Let me think of one. Like this. You can also do that. Now, of course, you can do all different types of stuff. I don't know, but I mean, you know, it's a Rubik's Cube. You can make it into all different tricks like this, and do this, and do that, and boom, you got all different types of colors and stuff. And you reverse the steps to put it back to normal. You know, so it's kind of fun. Now, let's see. Oh yes. Now, to do this trick, I will show you. If y'all don't, if you know this trick, okay. But anyways, so side, up, side, down. Repeat the step. Side, up, side, down. Repeat it again. Side, up, side, down. Repeat it again. Side, up, side, down, side, up, side, and down. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. So, that's it for today's video. Next video will be some type of gaming video, probably. Maybe, if I feel like it. More videos coming up soon, guys. Hope you enjoy my videos. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. What's your favorite Rubik's Cube playlist? What's your favorite games, hobbies, whatever you like to do for fun. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!